to get more pets on Widgetable app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Widgetable application. And then go to pets section. And then from here you will get eggs. You just have to hatch them and take care of the pets you have. You take care of them by just feeding them and stuff like that. You can also buy pets using these diamonds like this. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.